Very good evening once again, grade 11 and 12 ISC students. Today, we would be learning a new topic, that is proposal writing. This is included in your English writing section. Question 1 would be of essay writing. Question 2 would be either of report, speech, movie review, book review. And there would be question number 3, which is a compulsory question where you will have to write a proposal. This is a compulsory question of 10 marks. And you can score full marks, 10 on 10. What is a proposal? A proposal is a kind of a document that you present in front of senior authorities to get something approved. Now it is in the hands of your seniors and the authorities whether they approve it or not. But here we are not going to enter into a private company or something. As simple as that, a proposal has this format. See, look at this. In the last class, many of them were present. This was the question. A proposal has a very, very easy format. First of all, we mention the heading. Secondly, we mention the objective. Third step, after heading, introduction, then objectives, then list of measures, and then conclusion. So heading plus intro comprises of 2 marks. Objectives again 2 marks. List of measures 4 marks. And conclusion 2 marks, along with the entire writing ability. So this is the bifurcation of marks, and even you can see this in bracket also. See, I'll mark it for you. Look at the maximum points used by them. When it comes to introduction, only 2 sentences maximum, that is 30 to 35 words. Then when it comes to objectives, again 2 sentences, 30 to 35 words. List of measures, go raise the points to 6. Here 5 points, you can extend it to 6 points, not more than 6 to 7 points.
Minimum कितने points लिखने sir?
Please ask in English. Once again, tell me.
Minimum points we need.
The meaning, no, the number of points. You can.
The minimum, how many points we can write?
Minimum 4 points. But though these people have mentioned minimum 4 points, this is not my suggestion. This is my advice that do not write less than 6 points. I will teach you. And then a very short conclusion, less than 20 words. Don't write a kind of a melodrama when it comes to conclusion. And obviously, this is an important note for you people. I'll brief it. The title should not be very, very lengthy. It should look very beautiful. No overwriting, no cutting. For example, this is an example, that proposal for setting up a science club. I will write a new proposal. See, look at how beautiful my writing is. Better than yours. Someone read it out.
Proposal for setting up a UPA summer camp.
UPA नहीं, setting up a summer camp. UPA, उत्तर प्रदेश एसोसिएशन. वाह, UPA, ये UPA लिखा है. अच्छा खैर चलिए. Okay, so the title should be, see, everything is actually dependent upon this title. It should look very beautiful. And look at the way these people have written. Don't think that this is printed. This is the reason they have not committed mistakes. I can show you other examples also where students, they write beautifully without committing any grammatical mistakes and overwriting. So in the last class, we discussed these two things, and you people also were very participative. The question was related to proposal for setting up Vedic mathematics and coding club. So we are
Classes.
coding club. Okay, fine. Heading done, objectives done. Now I'm going to explain you that what all you will have to mention in the list of measures. Whenever you get a topic related to proposal writing, this list of measures includes number 1, date, number 2, time, number 3, venue, number 4, fees or scholarship, if any. Remember this, these are compulsory points. You cannot escape from these points. Number 5, the supervising authority. Number 6, how will the club benefit the school? And what can the school do with that benefit? These are 6 compulsory points. Apart from this, 7th point can be related to the society or some kind of charity or some kind of donation. Like for example, in case if we collect 250 rupees per member per year, obviously schools are not dependent on this membership fee. So if there are 200 students who will participate, oh my God, multiply this. I'm very weak. I think so. इतना ही होगा.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So this is the collection, 50,000. Now, wow, 50,000 per year is a good collection. This can be donated. So this is the proposal. You would be keeping it in front of your senior authorities. I want one boy to read out the points related to science club. Let me see what measures these people are going to take. Where will these people be setting up their science club? Who will be the in charge? What will be the timings? What will be the fees? And what all activities would be conducted in this club? Start. Girls, start reading. Leave them, stupid boys.
The middle school activity will be used as the schoolroom for all science club meetings and activities. The meetings will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays. Membership of the science club will be open to all students from 6th to 12th. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office barriers will be elected from the members of the club. Club membership has been fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. The club will have a range of activities ranging from science fairs, robot making, creating slogans and posters, documentaries, and so on.
Very good. So this is what I mentioned. First point, venue. Second point, time. Third point, fees. Fourth point, range of activities. Fifth point, supervising authority. Sixth point, meant for which grade and actually which standard. Now, students, be ready. Be ready. You will have to write the list of measures in case if you get a topic for setting up, proposal for setting up Vedic mathematics classes and coding club. Be quick. I'll only give you 2 minutes to write down at least 4 points. If you want to surrender, you can surrender. I'll teach you. Wow, everyone is trying. Excellent. Even I'll write down my points in the meanwhile. So I'm done with my first point. Can anyone read out my point?
Multimedia room can be utilized after 12 p.m. for Vedic maths and computer room for coding class.
So this is my first point. Can anyone read out his or her point? Do you want to read it out? क्या लिखा है पहले point में?
The library room will be used as Vedic maths class and the physics room will be used as the coding club.
सर लिस्ट ऑफ मेजर्स लिखने की कोई सीक्वेंस है?
Sequence. Good question. First of all, obviously you will have to have a location and then you will
सर मतलब
decide.
कि पहले डेट लिख दें उसके बाद टाइम फिर वेन्यू, या फिर पहले हमको लिखना जरूरी है वेन्यू उसके बाद टाइम, जैसे जैसे
Beta,
इसमें मेंशन है?
yes, obviously. See, once the venue is decided, then only you would be like deciding the time and all. When you won't be able to get the venue, then how come like you'll come to know about the time and all? So this is good. The first point is related to venue, then the time has been decided, then the day has been decided, then the classes these people are deciding, then who would be supervising, then the fee structure and what the activities would be. Start writing. Start writing. So this is the first point I had already mentioned. Second point, very easy. The meetings ki jagah you can write down. The classes will only take place on weekends. That is Friday and Saturday, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Only grade 6 to 8 will be allowed to participate. I'm just creating it. Mr. Donald Trump will be the supervisor. Club membership fee कितनी रख दें? मेंबरशिप फी 1 करोड़ रुपए?
500.
500. वाह,
500.
500. वेरी गुड.
सो
हाँ, डाउट आया? यस प्लीज.
सर एक सजेशन था, 100 रुपए.
100 rupees. Very, very kind. God will bless you. तुम स्कूल बंद करा के दम लोगे। द क्लब, अब जल्दी से बताओ कोडिंग वोडिंग में होता क्या है, मुझे नहीं पता है। वो वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स मैंने लिखा।
प्रोग्रामिंग होती है सर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वेट
Sir,
वेट वेट, रुके
programming
ना रुके रुके ना। द क्लब विल हैव अ रेंज ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, क्या बोला, प्रोग्रामिंग, हेल्प मी, और
So making
डिफरेंट
games,
लैंग्वेजेस लाइक
making
जावा,
apps,
पाइथन वगैरह वगैरह।
बूलन अलजेब्रा, हाँ
Java,
मैंने-
Python,
जावा,
C++.
जावा, पाइथन,
Sir, encoding and decoding.
वेरी
UJ.
गुड, एनकोडिंग एंड डीको, ओ माय गॉड भाई, बाप रे, अच्छा
So we
हुआ।
can also like then hack
Sir,
the
making games.
कोडिंग डिकोडिंग तो मेंटल एबिलिटी में आता है।
नहीं 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 बेटा, वो
Python.
कोडिंग क्लब में आ जाएगा। साइबर, साइबर हैकिंग, एथिकल हैकिंग, पता नहीं ऐसे कुछ चीजें, ये सब नहीं सीखना।
एथिकल हैकिंग होता है
पर
साइबर।
ethical hacking होता है.
अच्छा ओके ओके, वेरी गुड,
आ
थैंक यू सो मच। आई हेट कंप्यूटर्स। ओ हो गया, गुड, आई एम नॉट अ स्टूडेंट। क्या लिख के आता है यहाँ पर ये, हाँ कहीं इंग्लिश लिटरेरी क्लब का प्रपोजल आ गया अगर, ओ वाओ, दैट राइट अ प्रपोजल इन नॉट मोर देन 150 वर्ड्स फॉर सेटिंग अप अ इंग्लिश एंड इंग्लिश लिटरेरी क्लब, तब मैं यहां लिख दूंगा एक से एक चीजें। खैर चलिए,
सर अगर आ गया तो कौन से पॉइंट्स होंगे, एक तो बता दीजिए.
see there would be range of activities like number 1 quiz, recitation, extempore, rebuttal, group discussions, figures of speech, writer's introduction, life story, bibliography, autobiography, etc etc. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Oh,
what is rebuttal?
rebuttal, I'll explain it in the speaking class, okay बच्चे? हाँ
Okay.
हाँ, because I'm not going to extend this class. Okay. Any doubts students? Proposal heading हो गया, sorry title हो गया, and then we come up to the introduction, objectives done, list of measures. Let's read the conclusion. All the conclusions should be same. Remember this, don't add any words. चलो मैं coding वाला conclusion लिखने जा रहा हूं. We hope that this proposal बिल्कुल वैसे ही will definitely get an approval at the earliest. तो कुछ अलग लिखने लगा, लिखो जल्दी से। We hope that this proposal will definitely get an approval at the earliest, so that students can develop their own app and website, जो कि कई बच्चे कर रहे हैं छोटी उम्र में। तुम लोग नहीं कर पाओगे, ज्यादा खुश नहीं हो। किसको ऐप बनाने आता है?
सर आता नहीं है, पर कोर्सेज होते हैं उसके अलग से,
You
इंक्लूडिंग
have
गेम्स.
absolutely
वेबसाइट
correct.
बना देंगे, ऐप तो नहीं बनेगा।
वेबसाइट बना
तो
दोगे,
Python-
वेरी गुड। बट
Python
as per
हल्का
the
सा पढ़ा सकते हैं.
as per the new education policy now, grade 6, 7, 8 students will learn coding and all. Oh ho, this is as per the central government. Okay class, okay wait
सर एक बार बनाने की कोशिश की थी,
जसजीत ने बनाने की
लेकिन
कोशिश
बना
की।
नहीं था वो।
ऐसा तो नहीं तुम उसी में ही टाइम ट्रेवल कर गए और फिर वहीं रहते हो और फिर तभी देर से आते हो? अच्छा ओके, all the best. I'm always there. You can take my help, not related to app and all, but yes, I can set up, lay down few guidelines. Now raise your doubts. Raise your doubts. "25 words, 25 words is equal to 50 words. Near about 60 to 70 words. Near about 20 words. Let's calculate. 50 plus 70 is 120 plus 120, plus 20 is equal to 140. And these people have instructed us to write a proposal in about 150, not more than 150. डाउट नंबर 1, जल्दी से पूछिए, मैं होमवर्क दूं।
Sir, at max,
हार्ट अटैक क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
at max,
Oh my God, your voice actually booms and then you disappear. At like maximum, write 150 words. That's it. Maximum 150 words. Second doubt. Oh my God.
Proposal for excursion.
Proposal for beta, your voice is being decoded by someone. Send it in the chat box. Be quick. Doubt number 3. Write down. As the prefect of Global Public School, you notice that there is an urgent need of a sports club in the school. Write a proposal. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words to the director of your school, mentioning the necessary steps and guidelines. So in the chat box, ये वाला term आया है, देखो जरा ये वाला term क्या है? Excursion. और the meaning of excursion is a trip. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या करें हम? अभी तुमको पूछना क्या, ये बोलो। अरे ओके, फाइन। स्टूडेंट्स, डन? एनी डाउट्स? टेल मी, एनी डाउट्स? Idiots.
No, sir.
No, sir.
अरे speak. हाँ, okay. On Sunday, okay class, thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Sir, Salvatore कब तक
Thank you, sir.
I'll take care of Salvatore. Please don't panic.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Take care. Bye bye.